Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Java 11 Plus and Jmeter 5. X installed because version mismatches break listeners and samplers. Once done, prepare your target URL, credentials, and a CSV of test users so you can parameterize requests. Next, enable the HTTPS test script recorder and set your browser proxy to 127.0.0.1.8888. This captures real flows. Make sure to add a recording controller to hold recorded samplers. This keeps your plan organized for the next stage. Once recording is complete, move recorded samplers into a properly configured thread group where you set users, ramp up, and loop counts to model load. You then parameterize requests with CSV data set config so each virtual user uses unique credentials. This avoids caching and unrealistic duplicate sessions. Add HTTP header manager to mimic real headers, set timers to emulate think time, and include assertions to validate responses. Use transaction controllers to measure composite business transactions for clearer metrics. You should run small smoke tests first to confirm behavior, because immediate large loads can mask problems. Once stable, scale gradually and use summary report or backend listener to collect metrics. Correlate with server CPU and memory. Analyze error codes and response times, make sure assertions are meaningful. If things go wrong, check Jmeter heap settings, re-import the proxy SSL certificate into your browser or Java key store, and verify CSV encoding and delimiters. Finally, iterate. Adjust think time, user distribution, and retest.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.